Hello guys, now in this lecture we will learn how we can repair. Go to or click start, then click settings. Okay, go to update and security, then click the left side recovery, advanced startup. In this section click restart now. Okay, now the Windows will restart. Okay, now guys, press troubleshoot, second choice, click advanced option. Okay, then click the first choice, startup repair. This will help to fix problems that keep Windows from loading. Okay, now the Windows will repair and fix. Okay, now click your username, your account name, user, then enter your password. Okay, my password is empty. Continue. Recognizing your PC. Now your Windows will repair. Okay, wait. Okay, startup repair. Okay, startup repair could not repair your PC. Okay, my Windows is good and I don't have any problem, so this repair don't repair anything. So now we can go to shutdown. That's it guys, you can do that and repair your Windows and fixes all problem with auto repair option.